Tired of grainy webcam quality? Transform your Canon EOS 250d into a high-definition webcam for stunning video calls and streams. First, you'll need a USB cable. Specifically, a USB micro to USB-A cable is ideal for connecting your Canon 250d to your computer. Next, navigate to Canon's official website and search for the EOS webcam utility software. Make sure to download the version compatible with your operating system. Once downloaded, locate the installer file and run it. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. It's usually a straightforward next, finish process. With the software installed, ensure your camera's battery is charged and power it on. Then, connect the USB cable from your Canon 250d to an available USB port on your computer. Set your camera's mode dial to either movie mode or automatic mode, while either will work for webcam functionality. Now, open your preferred video conferencing or streaming software. In the video settings, look for the camera selection option. You should see Canon Eos webcam utility listed as an available camera source. Select it. And just like that, your Canon Eos 250d is now functioning as a high-definition webcam, ready to elevate your online presence with professional clarity. Experiment with your camera's settings to fine-tune your image.